How to get Amazon promo code 2024. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Amazon promo code 2024. Different sites will be visible to you. Head over to any specific one. Let me move into this one for now. It will be landing you on this official page of Amazon promo code. Once you're in this page, from here you can search for the specific discount and offers that you prefer. Once you have found the specific one, simply click on it. And there you can see that the promo code will appear on your screen. All you want to do is tap on copy. Once you have copied the promo code, the next thing you want to do is head over to your application Amazon and then enter this promo code while purchasing the product. After that, if the promo code is valid, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can find Amazon promo code 2024. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.